Natural disasters. How do they happen? A tornado. Tornado is defined as being a rotating column of air extending from the base of a thunderstorm down to the ground. They are rated on a Fujita scale, or better known as an F scale. The scale is rated by the speed of wind. The scale is as follows. An FO tornado, a F0 tornado, has winds from 40 to 72 miles per hour. An F1 tornado has winds from 73 to 112 miles per hour. An F2 tornado has winds from 113 to 157 miles per hour. An F3 tornado has winds from 158 to 206 miles per hour. An F4 tornado has winds from 207 to 260 miles per hour. An F5 tornado has winds from 261 to 318 miles per hour. Tornadoes can cause minimum damage to extreme destruction. The best refuge from tornadoes are basements and underground areas. Hurricanes. A severe thunderstorm that forms over the ocean. Winds have to be 74 miles per hour or greater to be categorized as a hurricane. When the storm happens, usually decides its name. Where the storm happens usually decides its name. For example, hurricanes form in the Atlantic and Northern Pacific and Northwest Pacific near Japan are called typhoons. In the South Pacific or Indian Oceans are called cyclones. They can create tornadoes and widespread flooding. A major hurricane that caused widespread damage and deaths hit New Orleans in 2005, also known as Hurricane Katrina. Monsoons. A sea breeze that blows over dry land and causes large amounts of rain. A monsoon is a result of the temperature difference between land and sea because of the heat from solar radiation. An effect of a monsoon is flooding and landslides. An earthquake. It occurs along the edges of Earth's crust called tectonic plates. The strength is measured on a moment magnitude scale, formerly known as a Richter scale. This is the scale and the effects of each measurement. A 4.0 could shake your house as if a large truck were passing close by. Some people may not notice. A 6.0, stuff will fall off shelves, walls in some houses may crack and windows may break. Pretty much everyone near the center will feel this one. A 7.0, weaker buildings will collapse and cracks will occur in bridges and on streets. An 8.0, many buildings and bridges fall down and see large cracks in the earth. A 9.0 and up, whole cities flatten and cause large-scale damage. A tsunami. It's a huge series of waves caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. The waves get stronger and bigger as they happen. An earthquake in the Indian Ocean off of Indonesia in December of 2004 caused a tsunami that killed over 200,000 people in 14 countries. In March 2011, the Tohoku earthquake off the east coast of Japan caused a tsunami that was a major factor in the death of over 15,000 people. A landslide. Masses of earth, rock, or debris move down a slope. Landslides can be initiated in slopes already on the verge of movement by rainfall, snowmelt, changes in water level, stream erosion, changes in groundwater, earthquake, volcanic activity, disturbance by human activity, or any combination of these factors. Earthquake shaking and other factors can also induce landslides underwater. These landslides are called submarine landslides. Submarine landslides sometimes cause tsunamis that damage coastal areas. A flood. Floods occur when there is an overflow of bodies of water such as a river, lake, or ocean. It can happen when the ocean waves come on shore, when snow melts too fast, or when dams and levees break. Key elements to floods are rainfall intensity and duration.